In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to respond to Facebook Marketplace messages. Facebook Marketplace has become a popular platform for buying and selling items locally, and being able to effectively communicate with potential buyers or sellers is key to a successful transaction. So, let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. First, you'll need to go to Facebook. Open your preferred web browser or app on your device and navigate to Facebook's main page. Log in with your credentials if you're not already signed in. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on your Facebook homepage with all your news feeds and notifications at your fingertips. Next, look towards the left-hand menu for a section labeled See More. Click on this to expand the menu for more options. This is where Facebook keeps some of the features that are not immediately visible, but are nonetheless very important to your selling experience. Within this expanded menu, you'll see the option for Marketplace. Click on it. This will take you directly to the Facebook Marketplace page, which hosts all your buying and selling activities. Marketplace is Facebook's version of an online garage sale. It's where you can find items for sale by people near you or post items for sale yourself. Now that you're on the Marketplace page, the next step is to access your messages. Look for the inbox icon, which you'll find prominently displayed on this page. Clicking on this will open up your messages within Marketplace, allowing you to see all the conversations you have been having regarding items you are selling or buying. Once in the inbox, you'll want to check messages under the Selling tab if you have posted items for sale. Click on Selling to ensure you're viewing messages from potential buyers inquiring about your listings. Notice how Facebook organizes conversations to keep your transactions smooth and manageable. Within the Selling tab, select a conversation from the list to open it. If a buyer has reached out with questions or offers, you'll find their messages here. Facebook's user interface ensures that you have a clear view of each chat, making it easier to track discussions with different buyers. Now it's time to respond. Type your message into the text box provided. You can respond to inquiries, negotiate prices, or confirm transaction details. Be clear and cordial in your communication to facilitate a seamless transaction and foster trust with potential buyers. Always remember to double check the details in your message before you hit send. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll be able to quickly and effectively respond to messages on Facebook Marketplace. Whether you're answering questions or securing the sale, these basic moves help ensure a smooth communication flow, making your buying or selling experience on the platform a positive one. Thanks for watching and happy selling!